This video is intended for teachers. There has been a push to use more technology in the classroom. But is that good for our students? Is technology keeping our students from thinking critically? Or, here's a better question, do our students know how to think critically? Now, technology can provide a unique way to help students think critically. For example, a student can think critically by deciding which website to use for a research project. For example, is it relevant? Is it trustworthy? These are the sorts of things that we as teachers need to teach our students. Another example is that this can be applied to which app a student should use for a project. For example, would it be better to use Notability or Google Docs to type up an assignment? You definitely don't want your students to be using Notepad. In short, technology can help our students thrive academically. It is up to us to show them how to best use it and to think critically when doing so.